Hi, and welcome to this brief teaser on behavior-driven development. I'll be introducing you to the Jerkin syntax and to some code in TypeScript run on Node.js using Jest-cucumber. Behavior-driven development, or BDD, is the most exciting and simplest of agile software development techniques to ensure that software specifications are strictly followed using a simple language-driven set of specifications that can be specified using a template that is created on Jerkin syntax. The Jerkin syntax is basically based on some keywords like feature, scenarios, and the given, when, then clauses. The Jerkin description of a feature is typically used in a .feature file with a steps definition file that maps to the feature and executes the scenario. A Jerkin feature could read like this: autopilot detects stationary object in the car path, and the scenario within the feature is that of a stationary object in path to avoid collision. So it would read like, given the car is in autopilot mode, when there is a stationary object ahead in the path of the car, then the self-driving car should beep. This feature is actually being tested now for this scenario, and this is what our first BDD test is going to be on. As you can see in the Visual Studio Code editor window, the steps definition file is open. The initial import of the Jest-cucumber utility is on the first line, and on the second line we have an import of the class, which is a TypeScript class. And then we define the feature being the one that we saw earlier, which is autopilot detects stationary object in the car path. The test is running the scenario with a given, when, then clause. In line 11, as part of the test statement, you'd find that there is a missing word path, which is the scenario description. Now this is different from the scenario feature file, which contains the word path. Therefore, this test will fail because the scenario text does not match. So the power of Jest-cucumber has given a test result that says that the scenario text does not match. Are you testing for the right scenario? The tools and languages that you would require for this particular example are Node.js, the framework, you need to install it, TypeScript, the language, Jerkin, the syntax for the syntax that you would be using. Jest-cucumber would provide you with that, and Babel to run the ES6 or TypeScript related code on Node.js. Thank you for watching this video. It was a brief snippet. For more on the same topic, you could find it on my blog on ravichandranjv.blogspot.com, where you have a blog post called Automating the BDD Framework, in which this example has been used. If you'd like to contact me for your consultancy requirements on agile related work, please email me on this email ID, heyrjv@jvravichandran.in. Thank you.